Good afternoon, country people them. Tori Ide, and we glad for meet up una for this last day inside the week, country people them. Tori we enter we here for place where they call am say Yawende. Na some woman we train Ijama Mikilam this morning time. Also the woman be one piece for corner train road. Also we here and the woman says he die one time. Inside Tori for this afternoon. We go take una enter for inside West region. We take una go for place where they call am Senkui na Palava for bridge. We go talk and even the road where they for inside big trouble. Inside Yawende from van. Now some flyover where they cause confusion just now. After we accident, it just come out for happen for that side. Story for this afternoon. We go talk to chapter for Corona inside we country. We go take una enter to for side for Kumba, where they already launched at arrangement for comot Corona inside Meme division. Now so too, we go tell una wait when newspaper talk. If time 11 we big part talk for this afternoon. It tell we say no matter as we elephant it check say be or gag pata for inside bush. It no go ever fit for turn elephant back for ground. They say no matter the kind of way a lion, it check say it be na elephant, it be na ogak pata inside bush, it no go ever turn elephant back for ground. Big patok, it come out na for a song wet Aaron. It look we for that side so for Dubai as we it talk for we. We return back small time. We dey salute una plenty for outside the country people them. Also we talk for na for inside Tori. Yawende side. We no be fit for show na that image. But as we Tori enter we here for Yawende. Na some woman we train Ijamam this morning time for inside Yawende country people them. Where the woman says he die. As we the woman be the piece for corner train road. As we wanna we here for inside Yawende. But we already enter for inside this Tori where una dey see am already. Now for inside West region where the people themselves help, where they use this bridge. Now for that side so from Queen, themselves they cry for say the bridge when na the only road where the people pass, the bridge it don't cut. Where you know they at all for them for even waka pass on top and the bridge just now it then a quarter to die as well for column. You dey see I'm saying a plank the way they don't use them support them for down where it means say if the people them they make mistake they fit fall inside the bridge. As we to enter for we here this bridge one at the CM they say na only Okada them where they get for pass on top but even the Okada themselves when you look as well the bridge it turn up now with the other plank them where they use them support this bridge for under where it been a big danger for the population so where they use this bridge inside Nkui for a place where they call West region. We say we enter for there for try for check the kind of way with the population they manage on top this kind of bridge can the people them and we say we don't see them as soon as I said see them now big danger where the people them get on top this bridge for say thing where they for ground where it even support the plank where the bridge it pass on top now plank them where when that plank too it rot in can the people them we sabi to where the pass the plank it go broke it enter for water and the bridge too it go fall so big suffer for this population inside West region. Another place where we go enter for this afternoon na for Yawende from van also we go show na small time. People there where they go from van na that quarter place where plenty motor them they turn up where people they take motor enter for inside Yawende na place where all kind of motor the way you want enter for inside any agency it get its own park but the big problem no be na say motor they plenty now the problem this that small flyover way there on top as where the enter reach in van where you no get no nothing for look at motor the way they pass. Now the big danger that, and he never overstay. We hear say na some woman where he mass and some big man too for country where he be the waka pass on top that flyover where he motor he come out he fall for down just for sika waiting. No place in no day where people they feel look at and the woman the motor that where he chakara off for ground and see am, and people them inside in van they dey try for talk say na danger place out when governor for that side for Yawinde, even minister wey dey look out road work he get for look on top this palava before another person he make accident wey he go die. This woman also talk one time wey he motor come out for up he fall for down. The woman he die as we tori enter inside we hear. We enter now so for chapter 2 for road. We dey take una enter again for another road. We in a road for people them for Manda. Manda also we hear na part for inside West Region. But they tell we say this same road for Manda, you fit take am. You enter for Northwest, you fit take am too. You enter for some part for Southwest. But just now, the problem for this road na say some side them for the road. They dey when na management where people they manage for pass. You fit see am one motor e don tight, another motor wey wan pass, e dey take na nayo e dey tiptoe as wey people dey push am for say make the motor e pass. Na some of the suffer them that wey people dey use this road wey dey check say if ngomna e can put eye e put attention on top the road, suffer e no go dey again plenty for on top this road wey e dey go for side for Manda. So the population say they dey join up for talk na talk and they dey beg say make ngomna e look on top this chapter for sika say na short road. If you wan comot for Manda, you comot you reach for place where they call am say Northwest, you fit also come up for them, you enter for some town then too for inside Southwest. But the only problem na this road wey una dey see am na motor that e don tight, e dey make am different motor than sef they no dey fit for pass inside on top the same road for sika say one motor e don cover all space. So the population dey check dan for say they dey talk election small time campaign, make they dey try for look on top this palava so that people themselves they go get power where they fit she done, they fix their road, they glad say yes, true something it don't change. Now so for that where we people them they dey suffer. Make we hear wait where one of the people that will meet up and for roads he talk for with microphone.
The road no easy. How una see the way a dirty, we don't push motor to the tire. We dey call say me government try for do something about the road.
It's an important road.
Very, very important. As we now see the number of motor that they pass now for the road. If we help for link the part for Northwest region, for Western region.
Yes, as so the people then say they cry na very, very correct road to governor get for put eye on top for semi population. E no suffer. So for on top road country people them as soon as sabi we go take una enter for this fire way cash for some motor now for on top bridge or on top after you pass Mutengene Hill as way you dey go for side for Dibanda now for inside my 14 for Boya. This motor as way tori enter for we here e come on now for Douala here country people them where e come for carry some bush faller where e just come up for Wild Man country, but as way the motor finish climb here for Mutengene as way that the one reach for side for the inside place where they call them Dibanda for that side for inside Boya. Motor said he just wake up, he start catch fire. All the people them where they be there inside the motor, all man, he run come out. All them, they only turn up now for road. See as well the motor, it be the catch fire. They no be get no nothing for do only for say they she done. See as well penya motorway, they just come out and they come out for carry boost faller for inside. It just the catch fire. No ask me, waiting that one it mean, but sabi say last. Now only the population themselves, the people there they turn up, they make motor them, they no be fit for cross. One day they come up Boya where they go Mutengene, where it no be there. Now so to one day they come up Mutengene. They be one enter for Boya where it no be there. Army rescue too na for year for see their power, but they no dey too for inside Fako as we tori enter for we here. The only place where they build for army rescue people them for Fako for opposite Big Mob market for Mutengene. Na soldier them they dey down for inside no motor for lost fire e no dey dey. So the population, the people there dey use roads, they be only get for turn up. They see as wey the motor wey comot for carry bush faller inside Douala, dey go back for Boya, e burn. Na dem say as wey the motor don, if fire don go down, they use their hand, they start for see as wey they go lost the fire on top that motor. So till last they be succeed for loss and bed the motor as soon as we catch fire. All thing e be don burn for inside wey even na who e no go fit for fix am again. And just for sabi as well talk for now, that motor as well e be the worry for that size. E be cause confusion for roads. E make am wey people dem say they no be fit for circulate normal. Una see am say plenty people there they be get for enter for Boya, and one day wey they be get for comot from Boya go for Mutengene side. They no be fit for comot as way a motor e be the burn. All man e be turn for your own end, e dey wait, say when the motor don finish burn, na that time they go start for cross for side way motor say e be the burn. The bush fall away, e be the enter for country too, where the motor e catch fire. No ask me wetin that sign mean. Now the bush fall like this, e say e no fit understand e hate. They be fit for comot e back them, where they just comot for commodity for aeroplane for Douala, but e say be can't see way Cameroon, e get am for ye, and the first welcome na say motor wey be dey inside, all thing e born. Only e back the way they be fit for comot, no nothing, they no ever comot am again apart from e back. So e say e take e eye, e see am say country in here, and the country e start for show ye as wey be the enter inside e own country. And when I sabi say people them for Kumba, they be get a problem. Driver the way they run Kumba. Konye, Manfe, they get problem with the taxi driver them, where they can't take their passenger them. And as soon as Sabi, Ntundong Shambalen, LZO for Meme, if you don't talk say one me order, it be for inside that sector for people them for work. After the Ndongame with the LZO, Ntundong Shambalen, on Thursday, we be meet up with the manager, the person where they like big man from Mabanda Motor Park. He talk for Zaibu a microphone.
I know say Clandon exists with the Republic of Cameroon. If they give them back, it means they will solve their problem in legality. But SGO, as a father of the Meme, Jimmy to say as a father, they want me always manage. He send me for pack to go join with them, more do our activities together. So I don't see no problem there. Now SGO get with for Meme, if you take a decision, they will bound to accept it.
Yes, now the person that way the local taxi driver them for inside Kumba way they talk for we. Make we hear now wait with the Ogaman, person way the local Mabanda Park for Kumba side there. If we talk to after the Ndongame with SZO.
I say some of us will not be Cameroonians because when the city mayor don't give order, say me all we move to the park and all we will don't move to the park. When you hear from the discussion where the taxi president talk, it not look matured because some of us before the one appoint me like the park manager from Mabanda Park, there are documents where you must present them with the transport ministry for Yaoundé before they grant you that authorization where government will give you. Yeah. And where I don't meet up with the document. Me I be transporter. I get buses for road. It's because of the state of the road. And the last time my motor come on Manfe, they broke and those boys they catch and broke them. So most of my motor they even need that for Fako. I am a transporter. That's why they made me park manager for that place. Yes. So as for the resolution where SGO don't take them, say me all we come for park. Now na time for crisis, we need to talk say me somebody not be find own deliberate. But what problem I say, you know, if somebody don't feel wash for up, then you do for down the drain. Me, I don't get complaint within my boys them every day. Each time I sleep for night, before 1 o'clock I don't get all the thing. How my boys they get their families as SGO.
And just for Sabi, na so chapter for them for try for check sense as well they go fit for work. Last week Thursday, Tori House, e be there for outside for see as we operation keep Douala clean, the cleanest quarter or the cleanest subdivision it go happen. When I go remember, we be go right for Bonaberry side and this place, e be there na boundary for burial ground. Una dey call am say cimetière Kotobas inside Douala here. Na tori house e be go notice say as wey dey work e be dey go enter for quarter for say they wan get name like a cleanest quarter. They be left this other side wey na burial ground for Kotobas for say make people them whether na die people them wey they go get for wake up for can clean am, no ask ambassador. But tori house e be turn, e show the one and e be dey ask that question if na die people them or na who they be get for expert for can clean this place. After we tori house e pass for there, Warren make we just show as we governor e be land for that place. E be there na on Thursday wey e pass yesterday. Governor for Littoral Region first place wey e land as wey be the tonton for look as wey people dey clean place na the same place wey una just comot for look am wey be dirty. Governor talk sef say e see am for tori house as wey dey abandon some place wey dem no do the work. So as wey governor wan land for there, e see am say council people dem dey put there dey be clean place. They don comot can clean all that place again wey na the main place that wey governor e be come for can check whether they don abandon that place again. He say try for talk for them say next time when they dey wan clean place make dem no abandon some other sites. They dey check say na the die people dem dey get for can open am. Just so sabi na work wey tori house e do and governor too e be land na only the place. Make we hear wey some of the people dem for Mabanda dey talk for with Padiman for outside there. Che Romanus.
Because we walk the go, we no know wetin wey dey for back. If we wan leave this zone become Koma with the quarry we say na there, so we don see as say na our entrance. We no fit go fix our quarter me shine where our entrance estate dey dirty. So we don come back today now, put all the entrance clean, and we don already go since we start on the 3rd of August. We will go to the end of this Keep Town Clean competition, and we sure say we will come with the victory, we will come, we will win the cup bringer for Mabanda, because Mabanda be engaged, Mabanda be very happy for this concours. And why they say the women they don't come on, you they come on, men they come on, all chef the block they come on. Join with chief of quarter say no, enough is enough. The Mabanda must become clean, and we be very happy today. Governor, we don't can see him for your eye. So it will one be by the end of the month when I say Mabanda don't bring the cup for Mabanda.
We don't work for Mabanda for the principal entrance for Mabanda, and we get luck say governor come visit the work where we do them, and he say we don't do wonderful work. He self don't appreciate them because we don't work for gutter them from the two sides suited pick up. And he see the example for you for about from the entrance of the cemetery go reach for that for boulangerie. He see.
And just for sabi before governor be one land for that place we Congo side be already enter for the council people them here. Say governor they can enter only for that burial ground. So mayor for Douala for if you don't fair go there. For go check whether the people that they concentrate on top that work. But anyhow, maybe Warren don't jump enter for different one. Just for sabi say as we governor be the tonton inside Douala. Warren could continue as we governor be the tonton for inside Douala. It be land for that side so for Beseke. Now the big water hole. Wait time we rain it be fall. It never overstay. Water it be full up. It come out all side. Governor too it be go for another side for quarter where they call am same Banya. Now for under Douala 5 subdivision for them. He meet up people them for inside Bonapriso. Governor meet up young boy them way they so they struggle for commodity inside Guataho there they don't block. But the young boy they talk say that one now just a play with the big people they can do them. Governor says he even take his own shovel, he take his own rake, he try for commot his own dirty. For talk say operation clean Douala, he want see the quarter where he go get the highest the quarter where he go clean at the end of the day. Sabi say this operation now for say when change them they enter for inside Douala, make them to they enjoy Douala, say Douala a clean. We go continue work just now. We go enter for chapter for book work. Sabi say people them for GCE. They don't already meet up for that side. So for inside Boya, country people them. Sabi say governor for inside Southwest region. For the first time, he go open starting for mark GCE. Or and even the technical education, technical side, we teacher themselves, they don't meet up for start for Makam. And as we Governor Bernardo Kalabila come, he talk for all teachers, they made the turn up for member their own combi them, where they don't die for Sika Kenekene, for Southwest and Northwest. And Sabi say Governor, he don't promise this teacher them, where they don't come for Boya for come mark. Say security, e go dey for all corner. Say if they see any man wey they suspect am even small for corner, may they try for talk for the security person wey e dey for their corner. And Sabi say governor don't talk. Say when they the one go back for house after they don't mark finish, make them the worker for group so that any man e go fit for Sabi wait till they happen. But the other advice wey governor forget for give am for this man picking them particular wey they dey for mark. Now say make they look out to their number 3 foot. Where they are number 3 foot 2, if you put them for trouble, if you put them for trap, governor no talk that one. But who the Adam as way it happened. So markers them for GCE, they don't start and they no tell with the different place them where they mark for Sika waiting. They say security, but they don't promise. Say police, gendarme, soldier. They dey for all corner for look out these people them where they come mark picking them where they write GCE, whether na the O or A levels this year. And Sabi say for that side, so for inside Kumba for Meme division, minister for primary school book, he don't send a cargo them for people them for Kumba 2 subdivision. Now for Sikawai that will be reached there for inside office for Oga Jacob K, where he be na the mayor for inside Kumba 2. And now the cargo them where they come up for Yawinde, and the cargo them you get chalk, you get ruler, you get even paper them where it dey so they don't give them for Oga Mbatu Jacob K, when I be the mayor for town, say make it divide them for school them inside his own zone for Kumba 2 subdivision. And according to Tori we hear, even as we place in the Kenekene for that side for Kumba, all picking the way they be done for write exam for Kumba 2 this year for this primary school side, common entrance, first school living certificate, all them they pass. So now for Sikawa that way, minister for primary school book is send the cargo them for same the giam for this school them as well they prepare for same school it turn back. Oga Jacob K na mayor for Kumba 2, he talk for Zaibue. We go here with Oga Jacob K, we be na the mayor for Kumba 2 side. He talk concerning this cargo them where they come out for minister for primary school book for help picking them for Kumba 2 subdivision.
For them, I them for inside this Kumba 2 subdivision. Now for the happiness way as you say this 2019-2020 school year, the begin they take first for all examination where they write down for inside Kumba 2. And for that reason, I made to with the Minister of Basic Education, the small package we give some help to with the council and try to help all these people there. They will don't buy all these school materials to them will put away like books, chalks, everything, and just to name a few. So make sure say picking them this 2020 the council make all picking them for inside this Kumba 2 subdivision and go school. And I advise all parents say they do not think of which way they pass now for outside, they leave their kid for house. I think says security be enough for them, for that picking them for go school. Because inside all the quarters now they try to form genetic groups where they will escort picking them, they go school, they see how they come back for house. Even when you sleep in your bed for night, these people, the boys will be out to make sure say peace and security.
We go enter for Palava for Corona, just for telling us where Corona the worker for inside the whole world and even for Cameroon, according to number they will get them. Make we see what will happen for Corona, what total number for Corona sick people them inside the whole world. As we get them on Thursday, they will go enter to for Cameroon. For see as we the Corona thing, it happen inside Cameroon. They tell you say na 20,000 9 people there they don't get the sick since we enter for we country. 415 people them they don't already die. Then we get 18,837 people them where they don't already well from Corona. You go see say now only 2 people them they dey for hospital. Now for inside the Kumba as we go finish for this afternoon. Warren make we just go for the face mask. We get people them for Kumba where they don't continue for the fight for say make Kumba people them. They try for see as we they go get face masks for cover their face them. as we the corona sick. It is also continue for go for outside. Today we be get operation total face masks for that side, so for inside K-Town. As we they talk, corona e never over plenty for Kumba, but as we sabi, na palava for say the people themselves they try for prepare their skin, so they give people them for inside Kumba today face mask for say they use and look at their skin. Now picking the way they come out from for K-Town, people there they come out outside where they come out from K-Town. Now they say they turn, they see as we they go make these people them for Kumba side for try for see as we they go continue for look at them skin. And they talk for population inside Kumba, say me they sabi say corona it never finish, so face masks na thing where they must always continue for the user for all time as we the sick is also there for outside. By Monday, we go surely turn back proper on top this story them. We get case for person we don't lose and case for person we hold some person it in. Well then, make we start with the first photo we go give him. Any photo we give for day, we go start. We go start with this man that they call in a Ndong clothes. The talk say come up for France since on number 5 day for September. He behold some cargo we na some big man for gendarme for Limbe get am. So today he never give the cargo. So just now they talk organ Ndong clothes. If you follow we call that number, you will get the person where you will be give that cargo where you come out for France. Another person there where he don't lost this afternoon and they call it Kemfak Ange Edwin, na be that Kemfak Ange Edwin. They want to the talk say he lost for 5 o'clock for that side where they call him village. Na some quarter name for place where they sabi am like Banga Bakoko. So for him. This small Edwin, the talk say the talk. Emmanuel Macron country talk and Yemba. So they back any person where you see this speaking number for before tele. You fit for column for say waiting, you help the family. They say plenty dash, they wait you. We don't finish for this afternoon country people them. Pidgin News debate, it come for Saturday, 12:30 to 1:30. We dey turn back for plenty of the story that will be get them inside this week. Danny Warren Zede, Malice, and even Varios, they be help for semi Tory pass for this side. If Papa God help, 12:30, Saturday, una hold am tight.